Tips for small business owners: have a great website. Your website is the seat of your operations. It's how new leads discover your products, and, unless you run a physical store, the sole method for people to buy from you. Treat it as sacrosanct. Keep the design clean and simple, limit colors, banner ads and pop-ups, and invest time in proper SEO. Before you build a website, put some serious thought into branding. Branding builds trust and differentiates you from your competitors. State your brand's value proposition upfront so first-time visitors understand your offer. Take it from the search engine DuckDuckGo. Its homepage states simply, "Search the web without being tracked," a worthy appeal to today's consumers who are concerned about data privacy. Use high-quality images. Stock images don't build trust. And hire a professional to take photos of all your products. Also, write thorough product descriptions. Focus on product benefits. Highlight key features and, where possible, tell a story. For example, why is bergamot a great scent? What is the significance of the amethyst stone? What is the history of Chinese tea?